Hey guys, I'm John Setzler coming to you once again on behalf of Atlanta Grill Company. Today we're going to fire up the PK Grills PK360. We're going to roast / smoke a chicken, and we're going to make some really nice summertime chicken salad from that. So let's get started. We're going to get things started. I'm going to light up a little starter cube here and set a chimney full of lump charcoal on top of it here to get this charcoal going while we get our chicken ready to cook. While our charcoal is getting nice and hot, I've got a chicken here. This is about a 4-pounder that I've gone ahead and trussed up, and I'm going to season this today with the Atlanta Grill Company Man Cave Mojo all-purpose seasoning. And I'm just going to get a nice liberal coat on that all over the outside of this chicken. And then I'm just going to let this sit here and let that seasoning start going to work while our charcoal gets ready to go. Now that our charcoal is almost ready to go, I'm going to pick it up and we're going to dump it into the right side here of the 360. And I'm going to let that continue to burn there for just a few minutes before we get started. Okay, now I'm just going to stick my chicken on here. We're going to go breast side up, and I'm going to put the legs towards the fire. And I've got a chunk of cherry wood here that I'm going to set over here on the edge to get some smoke rolling in this grill. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the lid, and I'm going to close up the vents a little bit and watch the temperature dial. And we want to get up to around 400 degrees today. And on the PK360, since I have my chicken on this side and the fire over here, I'm going to close this vent up almost all the way on the right side, where the airflow will be directed over here, and it'll bring that smoke over to this side of the grill. And on the lower vents on the PK360, I'm going to keep the vent that's underneath the fire fully open, and I'm going to close the vent about halfway on the side underneath the chicken. Okay guys, our smoke is rolling right along here. This thing's looking good. It's not done yet. I'm probably about halfway done. I'm going to reach in here, turn this chicken around the other way, and let it finish cooking in that direction. And I'm shooting for an internal temperature today. I like to go to about 150 degrees in my chicken breast, and I'll take my thermopin and I will push it straight into the bone and take my temperature there at the bone. And when I get to about 150 or so, I like to take this thing off, let it rest, and then move forward. So we'll be back close to time when this is done. All right guys, this chicken is done. I want you to have a look at that. That chicken's got some beautiful color on it. It's about 152 or so where I wanted it, in the thick part of the breast down at the bone. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to take this guy off. I'm going to wrap it in foil, and I'm going to let it rest for about an hour before I go to the next step. The next thing we're going to do is take all the meat off the bones. So I want it to cool pretty much all the way before we start that, where it will retain all the moisture that we've kept in here by cooking it this way. So I'm going to take it off the grill, wrap it in foil, and once it's rested, we'll be back. Okay, our chicken's cooled enough where I have had the opportunity here to take that off the bone, and I've got this in a stainless steel bowl. I didn't chop it up finely. I just pulled it off the bone in as big a pieces as I could, and I'm going to cover that, and we're going to put that in the refrigerator and let it chill completely. Now we're ready to put this chicken salad together. I've taken that chicken that I chilled, and I've kind of done a coarse dice on that to chop it up, and I ended up with about 1.5 pounds of chopped chicken, dark meat and light meat. And to make the dressing for this chicken salad, I'm starting out with equal parts of mayonnaise and sour cream. You can use either or whatever combination of these you like, and I've got maybe 3/4 cup of each in there. So to that, I'm going to add the juice of one lime, and I've also got the zest off that same lime. I've got one fairly decent sized jalapeno pepper that I've kind of diced up finely. I've removed most of the seeds from those. I've got some chopped parsley and a little bit of kosher salt and black pepper. And I'm just going to take my spoon and get all that mixed up. And once I have that mixed up, I'm just going to dump my chicken in, and we'll get that completely mixed up as well. And what you'll end up here with is a really nice summery chicken salad that's got the brightness of that lemon juice and lemon zest, and just a little bit of fun with those jalapeno peppers. So you're gonna have to give this one a try for sure, and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler on behalf of Atlanta Grill Company.